face the broken? Can you feel can you face the broken? Can you feel can you feel can you hear the silence? Can you sense the time?
I've been left out, lied to, talked about and used, stared down and laughed at, we're walking out of school. You wanna put the blame on
What's up, guys? I got this new cat. Her name is Chili Cheese. Say hi, Chili Cheese. What's up?
I've been lied to constantly. Why me? I don't understand. But I'm the bad person. I've done everything right. No one cares. No one asks me if I'm okay. Why do I even care?
The saddest songs for your depressed playlist. The saddest songs for your depressed playlist.
I can't do this anymore. I tried to make everyone happy. No one wants me around.
Listen to music from YouTube without ads or YouTube Premium. You can even listen with
Why do I feel like I'm nothing at all? About a bed. I don't know what to do. I feel stupid. I feel dumb. Sometimes I just wish I could just jump off a roof and die. But anyone care about what I'm doing, what I'm capable of? No, no one at all. I get yelled at all the time, and no one understands what I'm going through. And sometimes I just wish I could go back to my past and try to stop. Sometimes I wish I could save my younger self. Sometimes I wish I could have I wish I could have spoke up or something instead of having all these thoughts in my head that's killing me. But no one cared. No one wants to be around me. Because behind a closed door, it's always sadness. When you're sad, no one cares. No one's there to help you at all. And what breaks me more than anything is my family. Watch my little brother suffer the way I did. The way I left. Watch my little brother suffer. And I can't let that, I can't let that terrify him. What terrifies me more is my little brother. Once he finds a girlfriend, he'll get rejected and get cheated on. Like I did. I had a boyfriend before, and he broke up with me. And everything. And then turns out I found out my dad didn't even love me when I was younger. But Dad never loved me. And he only wants to come around when he wants something from my mother. My mother is like,
So look me in the eye, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, staring at the scene. Wish I could escape.
yeah.
I don't wanna.
If you want to know why my voice is shaking all the time, it's because I'm crying like non-stop in my room. If you want to know why I'm crying, I can give you a little detail of what happened in my past. I was 2 at the time. I was 4 at the time going to school. No. Listen to my parents fight, argue all the time. Over something. And then just sit in my room and cry and then didn't even hear me cry. I screamed and dumped my lungs. I panicked. I did everything. Soon I was 6 years old. Soon as I was 6 years old, it got worse. It got a lot worse.
Take my gun to the enemy's side.
It's my fault my mom went to jail. It's my fault my dad went to jail. It's my fault. Everything's my fault. I get the blame. I get the blame for everything. Why did I not stop being blamed for everything I done right? I tried tried so hard to make my parents proud. Go to school, learn, come home, listen to them fight and argue. It is not. It's not. How do I put it? It's not like I want them to be happy. It's not like I want them to fight all the time. It's like, as soon as my mom told me that she was getting divorced from my dad, I'm like, okay, I'm happy for that. I'm happy for her and everything. But I just need her to support me all the time and be there for me when I need her the most. I understand she works all the time and come home and have to cook and clean. When she was pregnant with my brother, with Eli, my little brother, my dad pushed her up hard, trying to make her lose him, and that terrified me. I thought I wasn't going to be a big sister. I had that fear that something was that gonna happen to her. I don't know why I called the police. I don't know why I did that. I was trying to protect my little brother or something. But yeah. Later after I left my grandparents' house, I went home. I went to my room. I was about 11, 12 years old. My mom, it was 12 o'clock at night. My mom just got from work, my dad just got, it was 12 o'clock at night. My dad just got home from work. So then my mom came over to my grandparents' house to take me and my brother up, take us home. And they started to argue and fight. I don't know where I hear a gun click. That terrified me. I thought my mom was gonna die that day. I saved her. I saved my mother. If I didn't say anything to my grandmother to get the police to come to my house, I did. My mom would be here today. I would be out here being around crying non-stop. And my dad would be in prison. So after that, my dad went to jail. My mom stayed home. My grandfather took me and my little brother back to their house. I'm 15 now, about to be 16. My brother's about to be 5. And then my other brother, he's gonna be 7 or 8. Until my mom gets back on her feet. The reason I don't show my face on the internet is because I am very, very self-conscious. I hate when people look at me and call me ugly at a night. And that's why I'm also self-cautious of body too. Some people would call me fat and ugly and a bitch. So one day I'll be laughing, smiling, and cackling. The next day, walking down, crying, screaming. And then playlist is every time I feel upset or something, I wait till both of my parents go to bed, and I'll be in the living room just sit there and cry and cry and cry. Sometimes when I'm going to cry so bad, I go into the playroom and shut the door and just cry. And sometimes I'll try not to cry in front of my cousins because I don't want them to know that I'm not okay.
I'll never let it die. Can't be touched by no one. I like to see him try.
I want to tell y'all thank you so much.
I'm a man for your touch, girl, I've lost control.
Thank you so much for 2.35K
I'm gonna make this last forever, don't tell me it's impossible.
Help me get to 4K, please.
Cause I love you for infinity. I love you
not
for
even before my
infinity.
brother was born.
I love you for
I was 3 or 4.
infinity.
But I had to go to him.
I love you for infinity.
I had to go to my grandmother's mother's funeral. My dad was funeral. That day after I got home, I just cried and cried and cried. I didn't come out my room. And then, January of this year, my mother almost died.
No headaches for yours. You've been feeling this hole since you were born.
I don't know what to do for you guys.
'Cause you're the reason I believe
Half
in
the
fate.
time, I feel like I'm just letting everyone down, but sometimes I'm just
And I'll do anything to be your love, be your
proud of what I do, proud of everything I've done.
'Cause I love you for infinity.
But no one's proud of me.
I love you for
That was
infinity. I love you for infinity. I love you
I
for
even try to make my mom
infinity.
happy and she yells at me all the time, and so I just don't say anything to her anymore. Right now, I'm shaking. I'm upset, I'm afraid, is when I see my dad, I get scared. Sometimes I just don't want to be around him. Other times I just want to be left alone. So, yeah. Now y'all see why I cry all the time, so yeah, bye.